What's up guys, AK with DCC Train. Today is unboxing. This is gorgeous. I'm not sure how camera will bring the image of that paint scheme, but in real life, when I open it first time, oh my goodness. Okay, Rapido, guys, doing great job. So here we go. Look at this. Awesome. Awesome. Here we go. So, yeah, we might need it to see what functions when I'm going to test it. Yes. Here we go. All functions listed here. Oh yeah. Good deal. Electrical locomotives, they don't have a lot, but we'll see. It will be like testing videos, video on test layout, maybe two. Part list, here we go. A lot of stuff. Oh boy, more here. That's a good one. So let me see. Oh boy, 138 parts. So good. Alrighty. Let me move this stuff away. Awesome, yes. The color is very close to what I see not through the camera. Okay, let's see any detailed parts. Oh, something here. Maybe kind of maybe wind stopper, kind of. Just my guess. Okay, here we go. Oh, beautiful. Okay. Uh-oh. First part. That's the reason I'm always opening. That's actually great example. I'm opening on very nice lights and possible white or lighter like color. See, we have a little bit issue. Not big deal. Just make sure I'm getting it before. A little bit static. We have 30 degrees today in Cincinnati. Normal. Welcome to Cincinnati. Yeah, so here we go. Good deal. Yeah, will be another video how I'm going to fix it. That package a little bit flimsy than usual. Not sure why. Just a little bit, but we'll see. Should I just cut those guys? Why they're using that tape this time, I'm not sure. But that thing should be locking. That's the reason, that locking mechanism. Okay. Just one. Honestly, don't like that type of sticky. It's like El Cheapo. You know, lately it will be disintegrated, so I will probably take it out. No big deal. Yeah, I don't remember Rapido did this. Oh my goodnesses. Wow. Okay, make sure no more parts fell off. It's 1, 2, 3, 4. So far I'm seeing only one, but that's okay. The other one, I believe it's in the box, no problem, someplace. Alrighty, I'll give you an update on the other ladder, so those steps, whatever, later. Guys, details, unbelievable. You just can put it on display and look, sit and look at it. Oh, nice, very nice. Look at this here. Oh, so good. Okay, let's see on the bottom. Yeah, details up front. So good. The reason I'm not preparing for that type of video is just my expression. I'm impressed. Yes, so wow, it's unbelievable. Look at details on the truck here. Oh man, so good. Okay, let's take a thumbnail shot. Excellent. I don't have any catenary on my layout yet. Something holding. Yeah, I need probably some locks. Need to figure out before. Okay, just keep this in mind. There are 2 springs here and there, but maybe something locking. I will definitely figure out and show you how to release it. Not seeing right away. Maybe in instruction, I hope. Wow. Grab rails here. Amazing. Everything prints. Yeah, so good. All right, guys, thanks for watching, supporting business. I'll dig to all those, fix the issues with the steps. I hope I can find them. Another one, just one, yes. We'll do test run and see how to release those pantographs. Here's the Patreon on the left, PayPal me on the right, and there is join membership button if you'd like to support channel. Thanks again and have a good one. Bye bye.